Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make royal icing. And here are the ingredients that we need. 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. This is also called icing sugar or powdered sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of meringue powder. And about 3 tablespoons of water. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Into a bowl, I'm going to get all of our icing sugar. And this is also called powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. 3 different names, but it's all the same sugar. Okay, that's good. To that, I'm going to add in my meringue powder. And then 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of water. That's 45 milliliters. I'll grab my mixer. We're going to start mixing this up. So I'm just on speed number 1. I just want to get this nicely incorporated. So once that's mixed up, you can quickly look at your icing and you can see that it's very, very thick, and I want to thin it out. So I'm going to grab a 1 teaspoon measure, and I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of water, and we'll mix that in. And you can see right away how quickly this has changed. It's really nice and thick now, you can see that. I'm going to add in 1 more teaspoon. And we'll mix that in. So that there is looking a lot better. That's what I'm liking, like this. So at this point, what I'm going to do now is I want to mix this for a good 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to get my mixer going on high. I really want to incorporate some air into this mixture. Okay, so that's been about 5 or 6 minutes. And I'll just move this off to the side. And I'll show you what this looks like. So I'll grab a fork here and I'll just show you how thick this is. Now I added in the extra 2 teaspoons of water. If I didn't, this would be much thicker and you could actually obtain stiff peaks with this. But I'm going to be piping some very small things with this today. And I do not need a really, really thick royal icing. Now if you were going to be piping something much, larger out of a large piping bag, then obviously you would want this much thicker so that your actual, your decorations are going to hold their shape. This here is too thin to do that. But for what I'm using it for today, it's perfect. I'm going to be piping out very, very small lines. And this is what I want. That's nice, just like that. So this here is ready to go. So it was a really, really fast video today. I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to make royal icing at home. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.